In the economic scenario of the world, online jobs such as data entry jobs are becoming fast popular and a source of income for many people. These data entry jobs are suitable to all, ranging from students, homemakers to professionals. However, often many consider these jobs as underestimated. Data entry jobs are jobs that require attention to detail, speed, accuracy, and some computer knowledge. People have the opportunity to do these jobs from the comfort of their own home. The only requirements are a computer and a reliable high-speed internet connection. There are a wide variety of data entry jobs that can be done from home, namely, typing blog entries, article writing, updating websites of a company, and many more. However, it is essential to find the right place to start earning money from home. Nowadays, if you look up online data entry jobs at the search engines, you can find thousands of openings, not most of them asking for money to get more information. It is your duty to differentiate the genuine from a fake job. A small tip is a genuine data entry job opening will never ask for money. From the results page of the search engine, you have to find a real job. Data entry jobs are really a boost to income for many people, especially those who have lost their jobs in this present market condition or have the fear to lose their job. You can take these work-at-home jobs to be a part-time opportunity or may even turn it to a full-time job. It totally depends on you. Studies show that a person who is working from home on data entry jobs easily earns from $5 to $10 per hour, depending on the efficiency and experience. In the present market condition, even home-based data entry jobs have a tough competition. You need to show outstanding performance to stand out of the rest of the job applicants. Most of the data entry jobs are outsourced to countries like India and other offshore places where the cost is much less. Thus, the best way to land a good and genuine data entry job is to brush up your skills and get in contact with a company from whom you can get data entry jobs to work at home regularly. Therefore, data entry job is a good way to supplement the income of many persons who are constantly finding new ways to earn some additional money to pay off the electricity bills or even work full-time.